Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oladina. If this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to achieve this exaggerated curve sleeve in an easy step-by-step beginner-friendly method. So stay tuned and let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be making use of a dull face satin material, but it is better to use a stiffer material like Mikado or iron a strong interface to the material if it is soft or not stiff enough. This is the sleeve pattern I'll be using to make the exaggerated sleeve. What I have here is 8 inches, which is the round sleeve plus 1 inch, while the sleeve length is 8.5 inches. When cutting the exaggerated sleeve, you'll be cutting times 2 of the sleeve length and times 3 of the round sleeve measurement. This place too will be times 2. I will be making use of this dull face material. Like I said earlier, you will be needing times 3 of the round sleeve measurement and times 2 of the sleeve length measurement. So measure what you have here and multiply by 2. Here I have 5.5 inches. Times 2 will be 11 inches. Then you mark it out. Make sure you curve out the curved part of the armhole this way. Then curve it out this way. Then go ahead to cut it out. This is how it looks after cutting it out. I'm confirming the measurement to make sure the measurements are accurate. Notch the midpoint. Then you go ahead to run a loose stitch at the top and down of the sleeve to gather it. This is it after running a loose stitch for the gathering. Then you go ahead to gather it. This is it after gathering it. You can see where the top gathering stops. You don't have to gather the armhole curve. Now you'll be taking the main sleeve pattern and pin the down part together like this, right side facing each other. Then go ahead to sew it straight down. I have sewn it down. This is how it's going to look after sewing it. Flip it over this way. Then pin and plait it like this. You can do the plait while sewing it or pin it before sewing for convenience. You can as well gather it if you don't want to plait it. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new tutorials. Then you sew it down. This is it after sewing it. You can see how the sleeve is looking already. Now pin the midpoint of the top of the sleeve together like this. And sew using the main sleeve pattern as a guide. This is it after sewing it together. This is the finished look. You can see how nice and neat it's looking. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing tutorials. Let me know in the comment section what sewing project would you like me to do next.